In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. Now, Instagram make this really hard for some reason, but don't worry, watch this video and I'll show you step by step what you need to do. So first open up Instagram and log into the account you want to delete. Then head over to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner and that will take you to your Instagram profile. Once you're here, you want to click on the three lines in the top right hand corner and then go to settings and privacy. Now, once you're on settings and privacy, you want to scroll all the way down and we need to go to the help section. So click on help and then click here where it says help center. From here, you can then type in this search bar, delete. It will then autofill here, delete account. So click on delete account and then you want to click on delete your Instagram account. From here, you can then scroll down and you can see to permanently delete your account from your mobile browser, you first need to go to the delete your account page. So click on delete your account. That will take you to this window here where you're then going to have to relog in to your Instagram profile. Now this can be annoying. I just had to reset my password because I didn't actually know what the password was. So reset your password if you need to, and then you're going to have to relog into your Instagram account here. So I'm going to enter in the details here and then click login. So once you've logged into your Instagram account, it will take you to this window. It's going to ask you why you want to delete your account. I'm just going to put here trouble getting started. You then need to re-enter in your password one more time, and then once you've done that, click delete account and your account will then be hidden for 1 month. But if you don't log into your account in that 1 month, it will be permanently deleted. So those are all the steps you need to take to permanently delete your Instagram account.